In agribusiness, while equipment sales remain strong despite of the drought of 2012, it's having the opposite impact on certain agribusiness companies. Archer Daniels Midland reported first quarter profits for its ag business fell 30%. The company says that's largely due to the smaller harvest in the U.S. As a whole, the company reported profits fell 60%, mainly because of a planned sale of a Mexican food company. ADM stocks didn't trade for a second consecutive day due to the markets being closed. Joining us this morning is Charlie O'Brien. He's the Vice President of Ag Services for the Association of Equipment Manufacturers. Let's talk about equipment sales this year. We're pretty concerned about the drought and how it might impact sales, but seem to be doing okay.
Sales have been going very well. We have seen positive sales compared to last year in almost every category that we have. So the small tractors seem to be moving, as well as the four-wheel drive, as well as 100 horsepower and above. So every category is at least 6% up. The only place where we're seeing a little bit of a decline is in combines compared to last year. Of course, we're coming off a pretty high year. So, but we're very happy, even with all that's transpired with the drought. Equipment sales seem to have been pretty strong.
Yeah, that almost seems completely opposite of what we would expect after such a rough year out in the fields this year.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think one of the things that's transpiring here is really what's transpired with the crop insurance program. So we did a little look back, and if you look back in 1988, only 18% of the cropland was covered with crop insurance at that point in time. Look at it today, we've got 88%, which is covered by crop insurance. So it's really that safety net that I think has helped a lot, and in that short period of time, a lot of change in terms of some coverage through crop insurance. Plus, we've also come off some pretty good years relative to net farm income, and balance sheets continue for the most part to be in pretty good shape. The only place that from next year that we're a little bit concerned about is from the livestock perspective. Obviously hit pretty hard in terms of what's going on overall with the price of inputs for livestock. So may see a little bit of impact there with compact tractors and some of the smaller equipment that goes into that area.
Sure. So I assume that with the safety net helping net farm income and so much land being protected through crop insurance, pretty important to get that piece into the Farm Bill.
Yeah, absolutely, and it's one of the things that we are working very hard to make sure that the congressmen know how important that is. And when you have years like this year, so that you can come back and still be in business in another year. So it's extremely important for just this very year that's transpired.
Yeah, well, thank you very much for being here and sharing some insights. We'll be back with more Ag Day in just a moment.